Hello everyone, welcome to the Random Home Gadgets channel. Today I will reveal the newest version of Eufy Floodlight Cam called Floodlight Cam 2 Pro. I will also show you the setup and installation using a pre-existing photocell box. First, let's talk about the features of this floodlight cam. The greatest feature of this floodlight cam is the 360-degree pan and tilt camera coverage with subject lock-in tracking. This groundbreaking feature allows the camera to monitor the entire area without blind spot. This is such a unique feature that no other competitor on the market can offer. Other notable features include 2K Full HD resolution for recording and live streaming, two-way audio and remote activated 100 decibel siren, 3 adjustable light panels at up to 3000 lumens, customizable light color temperature and light activation schedule, built-in local storage, no subscription needed. The current price for this floodlight cam is listed at $299.99 on Eufy's official website and on Amazon. When there's a promotion, the price can range from $210 to $250. You can also use my referral link down below to get a $50 off coupon. Now let's unbox it and see what's inside.
Setup was successful.
The official installation guide uses a standard round-shaped outdoor junction box, but technically you can also use a standard rectangular-shaped electrical box. However, I do strongly recommend you to talk to a licensed electrician before performing any electrical work. For me, I have a photocell mounted on a standard electrical box at a perfect location, so I decided to repurpose the photocell to mount the floodlight cam. Here is my wiring plan. Currently, the photocell is a secondary control for the patio ceiling light. There is also a regular light switch as the primary control for the light. My goal is to wire the floodlight cam to the pre-existing wires supplying the photocell, but also reconnect the ceiling light circuit so that it can continue to work and controlled by the light switch. First, disconnect all the wires to the photocell. Second, wire the floodlight cam. Matching wire colors: black to black, white to white, green to ground. Third, reconnect the ceiling light red wire. Let's take a look at the unique features of this floodlight cam. First is the 360-degree monitoring with subject lock and tracking. Second is the adjustable brightness and color. Here are my final thoughts of this floodlight cam. The pros are 360-degree monitoring without blind spot, adjustable light brightness and color temperature, and no need for subscription. These are all unique features that no other competitor offers in the current market. The cons are it's hardwire only, and the 8 GB local storage cannot be expanded. Overall, I think this is the best floodlight cam with the most unique features in the current market. I think it's definitely worth the money. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you do have questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. See you next time.